As I said in my last story, what are the moral lessons of this story? Àtùpà tí ó rí ènìyàn tí kò rí di ara rẹ̀. The story of Ileoluji shows us the importance of following the true light of wisdom and not being deceived by the false light of greed. It also reminds us to respect the divine will and not to judge others by their outward appearance. As the Odu Ogundameji, the Ifa verse that enlightens us on the Àtùpà lamp says, Àtùpà tí ó rí ènìyàn tí kò ní rí ìdí ara rẹ̀ kò lè rí ọmọ aráyé tí ó ní ìdí ara rẹ̀. Ògúndáméjì ló fa ọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀. Wọ́n ní kí n wá rí Ọ̀rúnmìlà, kí n wá rí Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ọ̀rúnmìlà ní kí n má bínú, kí n má ràn mìíràn sílẹ̀, kí n má ràn mìíràn sílẹ̀, kí n má ràn mìíràn sílẹ̀. Nítorí wípé àtùpà tí ó rí ènìyàn tí kò ní rí ìdí ara rẹ̀ kò lè rí ọmọ aráyé tí ó ní ìdí ara rẹ̀. Which means the lamp that sees a person but does not know its essence cannot see the children of the world who know their essence. Ogundameji went to cast Ifa for the world. They said, I should go and see Ọ̀rúnmìlà. I should go and see Ọ̀rúnmìlà. Ọ̀rúnmìlà said, I should not be angry. I should not abandon others. I should not abandon others because the lamp that sees a person but does not know his essence cannot see the children of the world who know their essence. The meaning of this verse is that one should not judge others by their appearance, but by their character and actions. It also advises one should seek the wisdom of Ọ̀rúnmìlà, who is the deity of Ifa and the source of all knowledge. The lamp represents the light of Ifa, which illuminates the truth and reveals the hidden aspects of life. The villagers of Ileoluji, they failed to follow this verse and they paid a heavy price. They chose Ade, who was a lamp that saw them but does not know their essence. He only saw them as tools for his own gain. He also made them lamps that could not see their own essence and who lost their identity and faith. They rejected Ola, who was a lamp that knew his essence and who followed the light of Ifa. He also saw the essence of others and he treated them with respect and kindness. We can learn from this story and avoid making the same mistakes. We can be lamps that know our essence and who follow the true light of wisdom. We can also see the essence of others and not judge them by their appearance. We can respect the divine will and not be swayed by the false light of greed. We can be like Ola and not like Ade. We can be like Ifa and not like Ileoluji. And that is all on Àtùpà tí ó rí ènìyàn tí kò ní rí ìdí ara rẹ̀. This story was written by Reuben Odubaku. I am Omo Omijimo. Bye.